Hello everyone, welcome back to the studio, and today I'm going to be working on these small, I think 30 by 30 centimetre abstracts on wooden panels. I started them in this whole big series and these kind of got left behind, and I'll show you a picture of where I left them last time somewhere. Today I'm going to sand back. I'm going to get my electric sander. You've already seen me, I think, in the last video using sandpaper by hand. I'm going to go downstairs, I'm going to go outside and get my buzz and try and get back some of the past, working on my past present series at the minute, my connection to England from here where I live, where I've lived for now 20 years in France, kind of making all these big connections back to my childhood of living and walking and experience the countryside back there in Yorkshire and Cumbria. So I want to peel back the layers in the painting as well to kind of represent this. So some really nice things going on. I haven't decided which way up. They are going to be abstract, very abstract landscapes. And I like some of the things that are happening, but I also like some of the things that were happening before. So it's kind of this connection thing going on is what I like things now. Here I am in France, but I also liked things back in England, and I don't know, I'm feeling this pull connection back to my roots, I suppose. And I'm really happy here. I love living here, but we can't help it, can we? We can't help looking back on our past and reflecting on it, and I've been back for a while, so maybe that's why. And of course, remembering all the happy moments, the happy times, the fun times that we had in these places, because it's not about a place, it's about the feeling of being in a place. Sorry, thinking about those happy times. I lost both my parents, so maybe this is the whole connection thing. This is different from me, a landscape board or portrait board. You never know how it's going to be, because I've been working on these squares. I really like working on squares, and I started working on these, a whole series together, but these have kind of got left behind. I think these are finished now. Maybe talk about them a little bit more later, but I'm going to go outside with my electric sander. Obviously can't do it in here, and see what I reveal and see how that will push me forward for the next layer. Okay, so stick around, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back in. I couldn't film too much because the sandpaper was coming off the sander at one side, so I kind of needed two hands to hold it in place. So yeah, what I found I'm getting is a little bit of, I got some good things coming back, especially the oil pastel, the silvery oil pastel, and the gold leaf and the silver leaf and the copper leaf. All that come back really well, but it's going a bit where the sand, where the dust comes off, kind of merges in, so I'm just going to give them all a wipe over with a cloth and see if that brings back some of the vibrancy. Need to clear a table first to do that. Okay, had a little tidy up, got my paintings here and my spray bottle. Just going to spray on and wipe off any of that excess dust. See what happens, see if I can bring back some of the vibrance. Yeah, already. You can see some of the, I'm quite sure that I fixed the charcoal, but adding water, be careful going over the charcoaly bits. Definitely seeing more depth in them now, more layers of memory. What I did do though is take away all the lumps and bumps, you know, from the collage paper, the gold leaf and it's all part of the process, all part of putting on, taking off, putting on, taking off. Not sure if they're going to be lakes, mountains, rivers. I went to the mountains for my birthday, so I'm going to be starting some new paintings from that. Well, I went a couple of times, a couple of day trips out, and some new inspiration. New beginnings of paintings coming soon. I really like this idea of connection to the past. My word of the year is connection, I've decided. And this whole series, which is a bit ongoing, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's two not in there. Ooh, 13. Lucky for some. will get around to putting some of them on my website soon. So if you can think of a name for this collection, something to do with connection, past and present, I haven't quite decided yet, but if you think of anything, or any titles for any of these paintings, that would be good. So anyway, peel back more layers, more memories, and all this is about happy memories. It's not about being sad or anything. They're all very happy memories, and about being very happy now. So you know, it's not like I'm reflecting on misery or anything. So yeah, this now allows me to move on to the next layer, whatever that will be, how it's going to speak to me. And I'm already seeing mountains from my latest visit in this one, landscape, and I'm seeing lake in this one. I don't know if you can see it, let me know. So yeah, already speaking to me. So I will continue with that, and I will see you next time. I'll try and film it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Au revoir.